Hello friends, this is the video about introduction to lathe machine. So the content slide shows the content. First introduction, second aim of the project, literature review, brief description, actual procedure follow and last scale develop. Now we start with the introduction. The main function of the lathe machine is to remove metal to give it required shape and size. This is accomplished by holding the work securely and rigid on the machine and then turning it against a cutting tool which will remove metal from the work in the form of chips. Various types of lathe machine are as follow. First, speed lathe, second, engine lathe, third, bench lathe, four, automatic lathe, fifth, tool room lathe, six, special purpose lathe, and seven, capstan and turret lathe. The aim of the project is as shown in this slide. First, study the various types of lathe machine. Second, study the uses of lathe machine and study the difference between various types of lathe machine. Now, literature review. According to this, the lathe was invented by Jacques de Vaucanson around 1751. The lathe machine is an ancient tool. At the very base stage, this machine was developed around 1300 BC. At that time, there was not developed so many parts except headstock and tailstock. But during the Industrial Revolution, metalworking lathe was involved into heavier machine with thicker and more rigid parts. Between 19th and 20th century, the electric motor is replaced line shafting as a power source. The lathe is most versatile machine tool among all standard of the tool machine. Nowadays, the manually controlled machine exists like CNC machine and even do with the help of feed mechanism the machine operates manually. So now types of lathe machine and their brief description. First, speed lathe. As the name suggests, this lathe has a very high speed up to 400 rpm. The speed lathe is simplest form of all types of lathe. In on all the lathes, various operations like drilling, reaming, boring, etc. are performed, except that threading, external as well as internal. Second, center lathe. Headstock of the center lathe contains additional driving mechanism which give multiple speed to lathe spindle. In the center lathe, there are multi feed mechanism which help us to give according to our requirement feed to the mechanism. Bench lathe. Bench lathe is a small center lathe which can be mounted on bench. This type of lathe is used for small and precision work. As we see in this image, the lathe was mounted on a bench, thus it is called as bench lathe. Tool room lathe. Tool room lathe is equipped with extra attachment for more accuracy and precision work and having auxiliary range of speed from very low to high as 2500 rpm. This type of lathe is more expensive than center lathe. Tool room lathe contain more equipments and attachment to have accuracy and precision. It is used for higher accuracy, and as the higher accuracy there is higher cost than center lathe. Now automatic lathe. This type of lathe used in mass production increase the quality and quantity of production. They are also so designed that all operation of manufacturing process are carried automatically, like drilling, boring, reaming, finishing, turning, facing, etc. Special purpose lathe. Special purpose lathe are used to manufacture the jobs which cannot be conveniently produced on standard lathe. Special purpose lathe are more efficient than standard lathe to carry out specific operation. So, as the name suggests, we know special means it requires only one operation or one or more, but still a limit. The operation which cannot be performed on standard lathe are performed on a special purpose lathe. Now, capstan and turret lathe. The construction of this type of lathe is similar to engine lathe, but only difference is that tailstock of engine lathe is replaced by hexagonal turret. On the face of hexagonal turret, multiple tools may be fitted and fit into the work in proper sequence. As shown in the figure, there is a tailstock which is replaced by hexagonal turret, and hexagonal turret in that position various attachments can be fit for the operation. The procedure follow as shown in the slide. First, we select our group project topic, search and found about information. We read iScheme books and GScheme also. Collect raw data. We prepare for that and make a report and presentation. So, skill develop. The skill develops are teamwork, leadership development, presentation skill development, group discussion. Reference: we use book of MTR author S.D. Kulkarni and various links from Google and YouTube. Thank you for watching this video.